Welcome back to the channel, y'all. This is SJ here, and today I did a Dollar Tree haul. And if you want to see what I got, make sure you continue watching this video. Let's get this Dollar Tree haul started. First of all, this bag here, they got all my little goodies in there. Talk to the hand. Let's get this Dollar Tree haul started. First of all, this bag here, they got all my little goodies in there. Talk to the hand. I got that from the Dollar Tree. As you can see, they got several kinds to choose from. I figured, well, instead of getting those little cheapy bags that they have, I'll just grab one of these. You know, I'm trying to keep always within a limit if I can. And so that's what I end up getting. All right, so that counted. Those are really nice. There's a little, yeah, you know they're flimsy, but they are sturdier than the plastic bag, so they hold my stuff well. As you know, as you can see, it got a few little things in here. Let me show you what I got today. All right. You see this? A key ring holder, okay? And so what you do is you'll put this on the back of your cell phone and you'll be able to hold it with the key. You know, with your finger through the key. And so instead of that little pop top thing that they have, you'll be using this thing. All right. Now, you know it's Easter. Check out the Easter aisle. I mean, they've got it all. Check it out. It's just... everything you need for Easter is right there. If it ain't for me going into Dollar Tree, I don't know what holiday it is. So I'm so glad that I went into Dollar Tree. And in that Easter aisle, yep, who can't go through Easter without Peeps? And I got the purple flavor. I'm like, okay, we're going to check these out. It doesn't say what the actual flavor is, but you know what it is. When you see purple, you think grape, right? So that's what I'm thinking. We'll see. Alright, and in that Dollar Tree store, I ended up shopping by the candy aisle. And I grabbed some Now Laters. So they come in a little 5-pack and all the different flavors. So it's got 6 different flavors in here. It doesn't list which ones they are, but let's just see. Oh, maybe not. Cherry. Oh, pink lemonade. You see that says 25 cents each. Okay, I remember these things used to be a nickel. Anybody know about that? Let's see, here's another cherry. Here's an extreme sour cherry. Now the 4th flavor they have is a pineapple. And then they got extra sour apple. And then they have watermelon. So, from the looks of my bags, if you are a cherry or mostly a cherry fan, cherry or the apple fan, this seems to be the majority of what's in there. So, there's like 3, 6, 9, 10, 11, 14, 18 packs of Now and Later. Yummy. Now, I also found some wash towels. You know, you always come up with stuff missing, like socks and things like that. So I had to grab some more wash towels. So they had 2 different kinds. You have one that has the microfiber, and you get 4 of those. So they have that little fat, fibery kind of thin look. You know, you can see right through the little holes. And then they had the just plain regular cotton washcloths. Now, naturally, these aren't as thin, and they're not, you know, they're a lot thicker. And you only get 2 of those. So, like, okay, I never actually paid attention that there was a difference in the 2. Now I know. All right, so now, y'all remember I did my shelves. At least I mentioned my shelves with these liners. These liners are the go-to. They are the go-to things. What I've been noticing since I've done my shelves is that when I try to put stuff up there, you can't just easily push it back because they're non-slip. So they're non-slip liners. So when I'm trying to push something back, it doesn't slide easy. So it sticks up there real good. It kind of like grabs it a little bit. And so I decided I'm going to get these and line my bathroom shelves up with this. So, yep, and I got 2 of those. And then my back was itching. And so I had to grab a back scratcher. Let's see if it works. Oh, yeah. Oh, right there. Y'all know what it is. Oh. Get it. Oh, yeah. Get it. You know, you get that spot that just don't want to act right. So, but it is the, I don't know, it was in the shower section. I think it's the first time I've seen it there. So it has a wood, it's woody type material. Definitely, for me, it's worth getting. I have one and it's, I don't know where I got it from, but this was $1. So I'm using it. All right, and then, now, this item here, I couldn't fit in my little bag. But I seen it and I thought this would be cool. I've seen these at Bed Bath & Beyond because I have one. Except it's bigger. And they have these little shelves things, these shelves trays. And what you do, it gives you additional space. So like if you have something that you need to fit on the shelf, and then if you have something that you need to put like underneath it, boom, and you're still using the same amount of space. So it actually is like a good space saver. And Dollar Tree had them. This is the first time I've seen them there. Maybe they get them all the time and they just run out by the time I get there. You know how it goes. And then, this was a new addition for me. It's one of those cushion brushes. So I use these on my hair and I've been not finding my brush lately. So, grab this. It was a little colorful. Got that purple on there. So, thought I'd grab this to use as a brush. Now, of course, this is going to be the first time I use it. So, I'm going to just rinse it off really good. And then I'll be able to brush my hair with it. But I like it. It's nice. And it feels like they're not going to just pop out. Because some of them just really pop out. So this one feels like it's pretty good. Especially for $1. Now, one of the last things I picked up, I caught it on my way out. It was 50 cents. I didn't know it was 50 cents. I thought it was $1. But it was 50 cents. My girl, Bo Helen, she had been talking about this drink here, the Bay, B-I-I, B-A-I, Bay. It would seem like Bay to me. And it is the sparkling antioxidant drink. And this is the root beer flavor. And it has about 5 calories. And so, I don't drink straight root beer. I usually take the root beer and put it on my vanilla ice cream. So, I'm going to try that out and see how I like it. So thanks again, Bo and Hella, for the idea. I sure appreciate that. I'm going to check it out. All right, so that includes my Dollar Tree haul. Hopefully you all seen something that might be neat in your store. You might even have something else that's even nicer. But yeah, please share any comments you have. Don't forget to hit the like button. I need everybody to give me a like. I need to get at least 10 likes for this video, okay? So do that for me. I sure appreciate it. And that is it for my Dollar Tree haul. Let me get my little candy here, because yeah, I need to do that now and later thing, because it's chewy flavor. It ain't that one that's gonna break my teeth off either. Love it. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribing to my account. What is it called? If you're not subscribing to my blog, my vlog, whatever y'all want to call it. Yeah, I'm sorry. Let's do that again. Okay, so yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribing. And come back to the channel. Definitely, we'll have more stuff for you. I'm still finishing up a few things, but I got some stuff for y'all. Alright, and don't forget, if you want to see some of the stuff that I do that I don't always put on the video, check out the Snapchat. It's sensational. Y'all have a great week. And don't forget to comment below, like, and subscribe. Hey, did y'all get that? Wait. Comment below, like, and subscribe. Alright, y'all know I just be having fun with stuff, so that's just how I do. That's just me. This is me. When I want to have fun, sometimes you got to do what you got to do to make it fun, and this is me. And I'm taking off this. Look, I ain't one of them people going to be, let me taste it. I like it. Yeah, get it. No. Oh, yeah. Get ready to start opening up the next one. Apple. I know, I'm not supposed to be eating all this candy, but gotta get that flavor. I'm sure they don't make them. I'm sure glad they don't do them hard anymore, because them things used to try to break my teeth. All right, y'all have a good week. Bye. I want to try that strawberry one now. Oh wait, that was cherry.